So we're almost finished with these chairs, and I'm just going to clean up this wood a little bit. And what we have here is paint marks from the chair rubbing against a painted wall, and they're really on there. So I'm going to show you a way to remove them without marring the finish of the wood. Here's a closer view of the paint marks. And what we're going to use to remove them is Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I got this tip from Rachel Fletcher over at Knox Upholstery. We've used these to clean stainless steel, but apparently they're multi-use. They come two to a box, and they're sort of a soft sponge, but kind of polyester-y. They seem to have a very fine grit that is probably what does the trick here. So I just have a little bit of water here, and I'm going to dip it, squeeze it out, and just start rubbing. Some other things that have been suggested for removing paint marks are mineral spirits, isopropyl alcohol, and 4/0 steel wool. But it's super important to always test in a hidden area first to be sure it doesn't harm your finish. If you run into a thick, stubborn spot like this, it's going to take some elbow grease and patience to remove it completely. This one's still hanging on there. Once you have all the paint removed, just wipe it with a cloth, apply some furniture oil, and your wood will come out glowing. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you and you want more tips, just hit subscribe just below this video.